Hi, I'm Andrew with the CPAP Shop. We get a lot of questions from our customers about how to troubleshoot issues with their CPAP therapy. So, we took the most common questions and created a new FAQ video series. The videos in this series will help answer some of the most common questions to CPAP therapy problems, and it'll give you a greater understanding of how your equipment works. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you receive a notification anytime a video in this series is posted. One of the most common issues we get asked about is a CPAP tube that doesn't connect to a CPAP mask. This typically occurs when users are replacing an old CPAP mask or trying a new one. The reason is a small adapter located at the end of the mask elbow or short tube. When users disconnect the tubing, this adapter can sometimes break off and get stuck inside the tube. Then when they attempt to connect the tubing to the new mask, it doesn't fit. Luckily, the solution is simple. Go ahead and reattach the tubing with the adapter still inside to your old CPAP mask. Pinch the tubing just below the mask adapter and create a braking motion with your hands. The adapter will stay connected to your CPAP mask, and you'll be able to place the new CPAP tube onto your new mask. Of course, you may be using the wrong size CPAP tubing. Standard CPAP tubing is 22 millimeters wide. Some manufacturers, like Philips Respironics, produce tubing as thin as 12 millimeters. If your tubing is thin and doesn't connect to your CPAP mask, you may require a separate CPAP mask adapter, like this PR12 adapter from Philips Respironics. Simply connect it to the tubing, and then connect your mask. For additional questions, contact our customer care team. If you found the information in this video useful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section. I'm Andrew from the CPAP Shop, and as always, thanks for watching.